An accurate transferring an image to linoleum block is the first step of carving a die stamp. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 ways to transfer an image to linoleum block. And at the end of this video, I will show you the fastest and the easiest way of transferring. So stay with me until the end of this video. The first way is transferring with iron. First of all, your image must be printed with a laser printer, not an inkjet printer. Cut the paper larger than the image and cut the lino to the size of the paper so that the paper covers the entire surface of the lino. Place your image face down on the lino. You can also put a parchment paper on top to control the heat of the iron. Iron over the paper for a few minutes. Hold your paper in place. This way is really exciting, but you have to be careful. You can carefully lift up the top of your paper to check if the lino is ready. In this method, you don't need to flip the image before transferring. But if you want to know the freest way, see the next method. In this method, you draw any patterns and designs you have in your mind with a soft pencil directly on the lino. After that, draw the lines again with a waterproof marker, so it won't smudge when carving. You can also draw and sketch on paper with soft pencil or graphite pencil. And then turn it back. Fit it over pencil side. Apply pressure with something and rub the back side of your sheet. You can cover the back of the paper with a tape so that the paper doesn't damage. But if your drawing is not good, the third method is suitable for you. Before I tell you the method, if this video has been helpful so far, please like it. The third way is using parchment paper. If you have an image, whether it's a drawing in a sketchbook or a photograph that you have printed or anything else, just use a parchment paper. Put the parchment paper on your image and draw all lines you need. You can also make your own changes while drawing. After that, fit it over pencil side. Redraw all the lines from back of parchment paper. Or apply pressure with something to transfer pencil lines to lino. Go over with a waterproof pen so it won't smudge when carving. If you want to spend less time for transferring, the fourth method is faster. This way is making carbon paper. If you have a printed image or a sketch, cover the back of the paper completely with a soft or graphite pencil. Turn the paper over and redraw the lines from the image. You can also redraw unprinted image. Turn it over. Tape it down so that it doesn't move while you're transferring everything. Finally, we have reached the most important part of this video. But before we go to the last method, tell me which method you have been using so far. The last and the easiest way is using instant thinner or pure acetone. If your image is big or has many details, it takes a long time to transfer it with the above ways. So I always prefer this method. First of all, you must print your image with a laser printer, not an inkjet printer. In this method, you don't need to flip the image before transferring. Tape one side of the paper to the lino block with image facing down. Take a piece of cotton and wet it with instant thinner or pure acetone. Don't wet it a lot, because the ink of the image may spread. Before picking up the paper, check whether the image has been transferred completely or not. And if not, repeat it again. In the future videos, I will teach you how to copy a picture from your phone. So stay with me and don't miss the videos.